you doing? Okay, have fun.
Good morning, guys. It's Max and I again. We're here at Witbank once again. We've got another challenge today. As I said in the previous video, we're going to be doing a consequence of taking 10 paintball shots to bare skin. Anyway, so for that, we've decided we're going to be doing a micro lure challenge, and they are tiny little things. We've both set them up on our barbarians, our WAF barbarians, and yeah, you can see we've got tiny little jerk baits, we've got tiny little crankbaits, and we've got tiny little jigs. So anyway, the rules for today is basically simple. The guy who can catch the biggest fish on today, the loser then will take 5 shots. The other challenge on like a second part of this would then be one of us needs to catch on all 3 lures. The first guy to catch on all 3 lures, the loser then will take the other 5 shots. So chances are
better than a chili.
Yeah, it's better than the chili. So we can probably bet on both of us getting shot, or one of us are going to be getting 10 shots. So anyway, we'll check here on the water and we'll check how it goes. Guys, just to show you exactly how small these little lures are, you can see that comparison to my thumbnail, it is absolutely tiny, but such a cute little bait, eh? Can't wait to start swimming this. Anyway, let's see how it goes. I'm going to start off with a jig. Let me show you the little jig quickly. Also quite a cute little bait. You can see Max has already kicked it off there. Let's have a look here. Also a tiny little 2-gram little jig. I've cut one of my old little craws, used that as a tiny little trailer. You can also see how tiny these are. Anyway, and the second one will just be the little jerk bait there, which you can also see is slightly bigger than the crankbait, but still tiny. So we're going to try to see who can pick up the biggest fish on this today, and who can catch on all 3 first. And then cool, so we're finally on the water. Max, we're going to start fishing at the same time?
Yes, we will.
Okay, perfect. We don't want anyone calling each other a cheater, yeah? So I'm heading to a little spot I know normally holds fish. Yeah, we'll check how it goes. Hey guys, so my game plan on Max today is I'm going to be fishing. I'm starting off with a little baby jig. As soon as I get a take on that, land the fish, I'm going to be changing immediately over to the next lure, and then same with the following lure. I want to get onto all 3 of those lures, get that out of my way, and as soon as that's done, I'm going to focus on upgrading the fish then. So yeah, let's see how it goes. What you tying on? Oh, the lure. There we go. Yes, first one. Come on, stay on. I don't even know if I want to boat flip him. Oh, he's a dink, but let's just get him in. Yes, first one. Oh, I'm so chuffed. It's probably the smallest fish I've caught, but I'm so happy. Okay, that's the first one done. Perfect, on the little baby jig. Cool, let's put him back and let's change over. What do you guys think? Baby crank, baby jerkbait. I think let's go with the baby crank for now. Okay guys, I've got the baby crank tied on here. He's too cute. Let's see how he swims. Oh, that's too cute, eh? Hello, Max. Oh, 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 no. No. No, go find your own fishing spot. Go find your own fishing spot. I got a knock. What? I haven't put my jerkbait on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's too cute, eh? Now mine's a sinking. That's cute. You're gonna move one on that. Oh! Oh, I just had a follower. Serious? Yeah. Eh? Oh yes, mine's also got two. Yeah. Oh, 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 there we go. On. Yes. Oh, feels like a good one. Come on. Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. He's a tiny little hook. Don't come off. Oh, he's belly hooked. He's belly hooked. Come on, yes! That's the second lure! No, that's the second lure I've caught on. Check it. How did you touch it? The second lure.
Let me grab this little thing. I am not losing today. Last time I lost, I had to eat some chilies, which was terrible. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be playing a little bit harder today on Mr. Dylan and beating him. So I'm gonna be starting off with this little Storm Gamoku minnow, tiny little jerkbait. You can see that thing. Tiny, 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 tiny. 3.5 centimeters, 1.5 inches. So let's see what we can get on this. Figure 8. Hey? Figure 8 it. Yes, please. Yes. The jerk. Yes.
Well done, Max.
Oh yes, I have to measure him, hey. Oh man, that's killer, eh? No. Yeah. Yes. Oh, someone's beating Dylan. Yo, he came off, eh?
In the net.
In the net.
Is that on that crankbait?
Yes.
Oh.
And we're looking at, don't fop off. Oh! Yes! Did you? Guys, look there. You can see that. 32.
32.
32! Yes! Oh! So far, I will not be getting shot for the smallest fish.
Hey guys, just a quick update. Everything's happening so fast this morning. I've managed to hit 2 fish on 2 different lures this morning. Max has just done the same. I was in the lead with a 30 centimeter fish. Max has just taken the lead now with a 32. So we're gonna see how it pans out now. It's down to the wire, eh? No! Yes, my lure snapped off. But I think I can find it. Let me go look for it. No way. I found it. No way. I actually didn't think I'd find it. Where is it? Yes, found it. I'm not out here. Oh, yes! I saw him take it! Yes! Give him the bird, give him the bird! Yes! Woo! Oh! On the lure I lost. I watched him follow it. And I gave it just a pause and he took it. Oh! Okay, let's have a look-see here. $24. That's tiny. Bye-bye. Whoa. Opa! Jeez, like it. Yes, see. Come on. Come out of the grass, come out of the grass. No, man. Is she foul hooked? What? That's insane. Oh, this feels like a good fish. No. Oh, come on. Let's see. She hasn't stopped running. I can feel it wrapped around grass. Oh, she came off. Oh no, she's still on. There she is. Oh, she's a good one. No, not in the grass. Come on. Come on. Am I still on? No, doesn't feel like it. Oh, oh, jeez. Come on. Come on. Oh, she is foul hooked, that's why. That's why. There we go, in the net. Yo! No, she's an absolute slab! Yeah, she swapped at it. Oh, come on. Nice! Oh! How's that? For catching some slabs on micro lures. Let's go find Max. Hey guys, just a quick update on the water so far. It's 9 o'clock at the moment. Max and I have been doing well for the morning. I think we've done well so far. This morning was a bit rough. We both hit fish on 2 lures and we both had 1 left to go. I then lost my lure, which would have disqualified me if I could not find the lure, and would have made me then obviously the loser. Luckily I managed to find it, and probably about 10 minutes later I managed to hit my final fish on that. So I have won that section. I'm so happy about that. So Max has got 5 lashings of a paintball gun coming towards him, but I can't get too happy too quickly. Max is in the lead so far with the biggest fish of 32 centimeters and mine of 30. I have managed to hit a slab of a fish of 1.670. Unfortunately it does not count, as it was foul hooked. It's the second one for the morning that was sitting on the nest. They seem to be agitated and they kind of swipe at the little lure, and it just lands up foul hooking them. Unfortunately, it would have been 44 centimeters, so I would have definitely have taken that, but it needs to be hooked in the mouth. Those are the rules, and we're gonna push on and see what we can get. So we'll check you guys later. There we go. Stay on. I already lost 2. Stay on, please. Yes! Woo! It is a good one. Let's have a look. Oh, I've been stressing about this. Come on. Please be bigger than 32. $34.5. Yes! I've waited the whole day. The whole day. Oh, 34.5. Must have taken a photo. Ooh. Yes! 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 I'm so happy. Oh, mwah. No. Bye you. Oh, no. No, this one looks good.
What was yours?
34.5. What's yours?
36.
No.
36.5. Yes! Yes!
Didn't last very long.
Yes! On top water! Ah! He came off and shot me in the head.
Guys, time has come now. We've got the paintball gun at the ready. Just to give you guys a bit of an update on how the day went, if you didn't capture or catch it on the video. I won the first challenge. I caught first on all 3 lures, which was awesome fun, and I hit my biggest fish of 30 centimeters in the morning. Max then hit one of 32. After that, I had to focus on beating that the whole day, and I battled. And eventually, at the end of the day, I managed to pick up a 34.5, which was short-lived. About a minute later, he picked up a fish of 36.5, and I just could not beat that for the rest of the day. Unfortunately, that 1.6 I caught doesn't count, so that's fine. So looks like I'm taking 5 shots and Max is also taking 5 shots. So considering I won the first challenge, it's Max up first. Okay guys, I'm going to count out 10 meters from Max. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that fine?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, it's by the line here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Max. Let's see. That's it. Ah! It's bleeding.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, I'm up now. Okay. Ah! Oh, sorry. Oh.
Have a look at these.
Got a happy face.
She walk around looking like Michael with your money. Should have got that and should have got cold for your money, money, money. If you ain't a punk, gotta we want prenup, yeah. Something that you need to have, cause we should leave. I should gotta leave with her. 18 years, and on her 18th birthday, found out it wasn't true.
Hey guys, okay, we're so glad that's finally over. God. Yeah. Look, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys want to see more, let us know what ideas you guys have got. Subscribe to the video, hit the notification button, don't miss out on the next videos if you're going to be busy with. And yeah, we'll check you guys later. Alright.